First, we'll be separating our egg whites from the egg yolks. Be careful, as one drop of yolk will destroy the meringue. Mix your egg whites until it's foamy. When you've done that, you can add in the sugar, 1 scoop at a time. When you see the meringue getting thicker and whiter, stop the mixer and check if it's done. You'll know if it's done when you see that the meringue holds its shape when you take the whisk out. When your meringue's done, you can add some lemon juice and mix the meringue. Now pour in 1 tablespoon of maizena and then mix it all together. Now you'll need a long cup, a clip, and a plastic bag, and you'll pour in the meringue into the bag. This is how it should look like, and we'll use the clip so that the meringue doesn't spill out. And we'll cut the front tip of the bag. Now you'll need a baking tray with a baking sheet on, and we'll take our meringue and pour it on the baking sheet. You don't have to make it perfectly, just don't let it have holes in the middle. You can also spread it out afterwards with a spatula, like I did. When you're done, you can put your meringue in a 160-degree warm oven for 50 minutes. Don't forget to set the timer. Now we'll go on to making our filling. You will need 250 grams of mascarpone, 300 grams of Philadelphia, and as much powdered sugar as you want. I like my filling to be very sweet, that's why I have a lot of powdered sugar, but there are some people who like it less sweet, so add as much as you wish. Your cream shouldn't be too rough and not too soft either. It should be just perfect. When your meringue's done, let it cool for about 5 minutes. After that, you can put a baking sheet on top of it and flip it over. When you've done that, take away the baking sheet that is in front of you, like I'm doing. But be very gentle because it can make holes in the meringue and you don't want that happening. Now we can start spreading our filling all over the meringue. Don't forget to leave some of the filling for the decoration. I chose to put in some frozen raspberries in my meringue so that it would taste better. You can choose whatever berries you want, frozen or fresh, but I prefer frozen raspberries. When you're done with your filling, just roll the cake and then you're done. I cut mine in half because I didn't have any plates that were as long as the meringue. Now we'll put the remaining filling in this plastic bag. I used the piping tip because I wanted my decoration to be a little bit fancier. If you don't have that, it's okay. You can just cut the tip of the bag and pipe your filling on the meringue. When you're done putting the filling in your piping bag, feel free to decorate your meringues as you wish. I don't have any special techniques for decorating, I just go with the flow. Don't think too much of how you want it to look because you're going to eat it anyway, and if it doesn't turn out as you wanted it to, you can just add some berries on top.
That never should be for my life ends. I just wanna strengthen my faith, la la la. Don't you know it's been a long time coming, please don't let me fall. Ooh. I open my lips and pray your name's on my tongue. I love you cause you protect me, don't stop. Allah will never let my life get bitter. You know I can't pretend I really need ya. I made do to you, Lord Allah. It's true, la la la.